In my own personal experience, I feel like this is a path that was being prepared by God, and God prepared me for this from a long time ago. And in so doing, He provided me with the right opportunities, made my paths collide with the right people with the same vision and the same motivation of doing these things. And this means everything to me.
Hello from Kenya, 100 Humanitarian. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for being with me on this journey of girl empowerment. Since we started this journey 4 years ago, it has really been beautiful. It has really been empowering. It has made my life heal in so many ways, because I'm one girl who survived the shame of menstruation, and today every time I go back to the slums to give a girl a kitty, it heals my life, it heals my journey, and it makes me feel so good and so proud of myself.
Ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3.
I am happy. I am strong. I am smart. I am kind. I am important. I am a child of God.
And like Christine said, this is nothing to be ashamed of, because every single woman in the whole world, doesn't matter if we're in Kenya or the United States or Asia, every single woman should learn about reproduction and about our menstruation cycle.
My name is Vincent Yego. I want to say thank you to 100 Humanitarian for paying my school fees through high school. 100 Humanitarian came into my life and hold my hands and work with me the last 3 years of my school, which I finished last year, 2018.
Yeah, in Perez family, here we come with about 3 ideas. We have come to plant, first to check what we planted early last year. This is the garden boxes, and they are doing well after the long rain. And we are also today have planted vertical bags, which are especially during the dry spell, they are manageable because they need a little water to maintain, and they also require small space. And that is a new technology, and we're trying to introduce to these families so that they can have sufficient supply of vegetables.
So the woman in the purple bandana is Nusakan Pere, and we started working with her a year ago. And so she came to help and mentor this new family, and they're related to her. And part of our program that we try to do is have it be a families mentoring families. I know you didn't tell me about these. You just wanted to surprise us. Oh, wow. Market at Uwasuniro today to buy goats, and we bought 5 goats. And these are the 5 goats that are going to families in Incareta, and we are also going to start breeding goats at the training center so that we can start giving those to the families as well. Oh God, they're just the cutest.
Jambo from Kenya. My name is Aranita, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank 100 Humanitarians International for the support they've given to the people of Bomet, Kenya. Looking back 4 years, and since we started working with 100 Humanitarians, lots of families have been touched by their efforts and changed for the better. We had families that were not able to provide food, neither pay school fees for their children, and through the support of sustainable projects, we can say that these families have greatly improved and now able to provide food and also pay school fees for their children.
What's happening here?
If I can find the words?
Yes.
It's pretty amazing. So I've not ever seen this. This is a first. So we're building part of the training center. But the thing that's the most amazing is that people from all over this village, from far places, there's different areas in this village, but they've all come here.
So we are going to use our student that was sponsored by 100 Humanitarians to give back to these mamas and our dads who were not able to go to school to get a chance and come and learn. So what I was telling them, once we are able to read and write, we move to the next step of learning to use a computer. So we will be able, I know for sure, in the future to get 1 or 2 computers and have them set here and be able to teach them how to use a computer, because everything is now changing to technology, and if you are behind, there's a lot we are thinking of doing family history. We want them to be able to come and also look at their family history, give their data and all that. So we want to actually use the center for a better tomorrow.
Can we start on the other?
There you go, look at her. Wow, that's pretty good. Sick. Oh, don't move.
So many more brushes. Jake, Rory. Rory, what? Here. Can you turn on the color? Rory. You have to. Right here. Roller, do that brush. Don't go over the same spot.
There are a bunch of women in the community in Incarreta that will benefit from this training center and will be using it. And I am about to talk to them about the literacy program we want to do.
Hey everyone, my name is Heidi Totten. I'm the Executive Director of 100 Humanitarians International, and I am standing here under the wisdom tree at the land on the Masai Mara where we are planning on building the Empernot Cultural Center.
Here we are at the site for the borehole. We just had it drilled a few weeks ago. It's 231 meters down, and it has around 55,000 cubic of water, which is enough for the community, the schools around here, and also for the cultural center, which is going to be one of the community watering holes.
Humanitarians have actually helped the communities around here. They're actually very happy of the work that we are doing here. When we started actually helping a few of them from the beginning, and right now I can't tell you the impact that these families have got out of 100 Humanitarians. And they've always loved it, and they always ask, when are they coming back again?
So Empernot, a place where people live, and a place that people live forever, and that the love and the existence and the social life continues in that area for ages and ages. And the whole essence of Empernot Cultural Center is that as much as the Maasai people are living in different parts of the Masai Mara, the Empernot Cultural Center is there that they can always live there socially, and they can always come there to relive their practices there, to do whatever congregations they want to do there, and it's something that's there to stay. Even after I go and many other people go that will be after me, the Empernot Cultural Center will be there to stay. It will be for use of the community and the people living there for years and years and years to come.
Keep going.
Keep going.
I'm dying.
right, babe, this is the female reproductive system.
I see. Hold on, Moses is calling me. I gotta take her.